Hey guys, so I'm going in with my extra long Sieve Curve tip from Nunes Torres. I absolutely love these tips, y'all. So starting off with my first bead from Young Nails, this is Cover Flamingo that I absolutely love, y'all. This cover pink is like the bomb. So I'm only going halfway because I am encapsulating glitter today. So I'm just doing like a smooth fade transition so my glitter can come through in the clear. Going in with my second bead just to build the apex just a little bit more. And then I'm going to fade that out to add my glitter. Adding my glitter, I think I got from Glitter Was It or Glitter Is It, something like that, but I'm gonna try to add it in the comment section below. So just adding some pieces, trying to get every piece that the glitter came with so guys can see its full potential. It's so pretty. I love the big flakes. It was just the perfect glitter for of course a winter look if that's what you're looking for. So just carefully placing the glitter where I think it needs to be. And yes, just checking it out, making sure that I got every little piece in place. Next, with my top coat, I'm going to use that at the tip because I am going for the icy look. So I decided to use the top coat on the tip just to see how this will come out. So now I'm going to grab a piece of a plastic that I cut out from a baggie with my LED light just to kind of flash cure it. And I'm just going to cut off that excess top coat just around so I can save myself time with filing. Going in with my clear acrylic just to kind of encapsulate everything and lock everything down in place. I wasn't for sure how it was going to affect my icy look, so I was kind of nervous about applying too much, but again it has to be fully covered, and just adding a few beads on just how I normally would when I encapsulate anything. So just making sure I have the perfect amount. And now I'm going to build the apex to the nail and just build that up. And yes, so now I am going to put that last bead on there just to build the apex up and just kind of seal the deal with everything. Okay guys, so now that I have my clear acrylic on, I'm going to go in by e-file just to get this bad boy nice and smooth so I don't have to be working my hand and filing all crazy. And yes, I want my e-file to do my work for me. So this is my Melody Susie e-file that I got from Amazon. I think I paid roughly about $60. I think it's about $60, but I'm just gonna make sure all the roughness is cool. And then after that I am gonna go in with my my nail file to get everything nice and sharp. Once I get this down pat, and just now I'm just gonna sharpen up them edges and make sure that it is nice and ready before I add this top coat. It's a long nail, y'all, bear with me, I'm filing my life away. Okay, we're gonna wipe this bad boy off, and it is done. I put that top coat on there, and it did wash it away a little bit with the acrylic on top, but it did come out nice overall. It's very nice nail, and I loved it. But here's some ways that you can also do. This is acrylic on top with of course encapsulated. Then I added some acrylic at the bottom, of course, to scrunch it up. And it's a little rough at the bottom, but I mean it did come out nice and how I wanted, but I don't know how I like the roughness texture at the bottom of the nail. And then next I had used the top coat again, like I did my first nail. I used the top coat and it came out perfect, guys. So I definitely want to do this look again on a regular nail, and that is my mini tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.